Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 black screen with cursor fix. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Type services.msc. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Open App Readiness Service. Change Startup Type is disabled, click Apply, OK. Click File, click Run New Task. Type CMD. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Type shutdown space, -R, space -F, space -T space 00. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Type regedit.exe. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey Local Machine. Click and expand Software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand Current Version. Click WinLogon. Open Shell. Make sure the value data is explorer.exe. Click File, click Run New Task. Type CMD. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Type shutdown space, -R, space -F, space -T space 00. Third method is, press Power button. After showing blue Windows logo, press the power button again to shut down, doing these steps 2 or 3 times until you get Prepartaying Automatic Repair. Click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. First step is click Startup Repair. If same problem still exists, click System Restore to restore Windows. If same problem still exists, third step is click Startup Settings. Press F4 key to enter safe mode. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Uninstall recently installed software. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.